model, 2002 Fiat Ducato 14 Jtd short wheelbase, camper low GENINUE miles body, green, minibus camper mileage, 94,187 engine, 2,800 cc N1 VMC ZGP transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear, battery light on the dash, alternator will need replacing. Condition summary: this has fantastic opportunity to make this into a fantastic motorhome, already has a bed, kitchen, toilet area installed, a bit of touch up on this and will make this into a fantastic home, ample amount of room in this. Bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 2 keys HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.